In this video, we're going to use Copilot inside the inline email editor in Dynamics 365 Customer Service Workspace. As an agent who's working on a case, I need to respond to a customer's email. As I compose a new email in the rich text editor, I see the Copilot icon. When I click this icon, I can see the Copilot card listing all the prompts. I can compose an email with the help of knowledge-based data. And I can use filters to choose the right knowledge articles for Copilot to generate from. I set the filters and I choose the prompts to respond to the customer. There are 5 default prompts and 1 custom input. When I click a prompt, Copilot generates a response. However, Copilot did not do so due to a technical glitch. This is mentioned as a warning that something went wrong and they couldn't complete my request. I can either choose to dismiss or try regenerating the response, or I can click on the prompt. When I click on the prompt, I can see that Copilot is composing a draft for me. However, the draft that is being composed is not in line with the customer issue. So, to stop the response, I click Stop Responding, and I'm sent back to the Copilot card again to choose a new prompt. When I click the prompt, I can see that Copilot is generating a response that is in line with the customer's issue. With the response that's being generated, I can perform subsequent actions. I can keep the response, I can adjust the length and tone, I can also translate the response to a customer's native language. Then, I can click Show Original to view the initial response in my own language again. In addition, since I chose to use the knowledge base to generate the response, I can see the knowledge sources that Copilot used to generate the content by clicking Check Sources. If I want to remove content that Copilot generated, I can click the Discard button. This pop-up informs me that using the option will delete the entire draft. If I want to do that, I can click Delete, but this time I'm going to cancel and close the window. If I want to add additional content to the response that's being generated by Copilot, I can use the multi-turn experience. I can add my own prompt to the custom input field and attempt to have Copilot provide more details. With this custom input, I also have an option to use the knowledge base, which is turned on by default. I send the custom input to Copilot, and Copilot generates a response including data from the knowledge base. I can check the sources and see the names of the articles Copilot used to generate the response. Note that there is a 5-input limit to Copilot-generated responses in the multi-turn experience. This means that I can provide Copilot with any 5 custom inputs for it to generate a response. As I navigate through all 5 responses, I will not be able to add more custom inputs since I have reached the limit of 5. That's indicated to me over here, which says that I have exhausted the generation limit and it's time to start over. When I click Start Over, I'm back to the Copilot card where I can try different prompts to create my email draft. As an agent, this automated, streamlined email drafting process with Copilot helps me quickly compose relevant, customer-focused emails and respond to customer queries to meet my SLAs and KPIs for average case handle time.